In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell music online with Shopify. If you're a musician or music producer looking to share your creations with the world while making some money, Shopify is a wonderful platform to consider. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up your online store and start selling your music effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to head to Shopify.com and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Shopify offers a free trial to get you started, which is a great opportunity to explore its features before making any financial commitments. Once you're registered, you'll be prompted to choose a store name. This will be the name that your customers see, so think carefully about how you want to present yourself to your audience. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. This is your command center where everything is controlled. Look for the option labeled Add Product. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start entering details about your music. Write a descriptive title and provide a captivating description that captures the essence of your work. Remember, this is your chance to speak directly to potential listeners, so make it engaging. Next, you'll upload your music files. Shopify supports digital products like music tracks or albums, so rest assured this process will be smooth. Make sure your files are of high quality since you want to deliver the best listening experience to your customers. Once uploaded, consider adding album art or individual track images. These visuals can help make your product more appealing and give potential buyers a clear sense of your brand's identity. Now, let's talk about pricing. Setting the right price is crucial. You want to strike a balance between making a profit and remaining accessible to your fans. It's a good idea to research prices of similar music in your genre to ensure you're competitive. Shopify allows you to offer discounts or promotional codes, which are great for enticing new listeners or rewarding loyal fans. Leverage these tools to create a dynamic pricing strategy that can attract more buyers. Once you've set your prices, it's time to set up payment methods. Shopify supports various payment gateways like PayPal, credit cards, and even cryptocurrencies. Choose the ones that best suit your target audience and make sure they are secure and easy to use. A seamless checkout experience can significantly improve your sales. Finally, let's make your store visually appealing. Shopify offers a wide range of themes that you can customize to fit your style and brand image. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts until you find something that represents you perfectly. A well-designed store not only attracts customers but also enhances their shopping experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to sell your music online with Shopify. Keep experimenting, engage with your audience, and continue to refine your store as your music evolves. Good luck on this exciting journey.